Thank you. Chairman Montague. Wanna feel the spirit? Wanna feel in the vibes? So what up now if I had Mr. Vegas to the list? Let's welcome Mr. Vegas!
Everybody will love the Prime Minister. Sir, give me the Andrew, Managale. Pull. Show a labor rights. Give me the next song, boss. Give me the next song. Fight for your Prime Minister. One more blessing. I don't see blessing. They can't stop this. I am blessed. Every day of my life I am blessed. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my St. Catherine, one is done, ready. Mr. We pray God. That morning. Hold on. If you know Andrew Holness is the greatest Prime Minister ever, point on him. Ready again. Give me the Andrew drum now. Yo, Andrew. I am blessed. I am every day of my. When I wake up in the morning and I lay my head to on the leg of the Prime Minister's shirt. Ready again. This time we pray again. Make money, one year time. Four past mine. God wants me. Build up a man. Before I him. That's how we part. No part of my time. Something we try past them. What if I never wicked to what they window? You know them I'm a cynical. Sing! I am blessed. That's the great! When I wake up in the morning and I lay my oh no tired! Right again! Mr. W say your boy, you must have hurry, doing everything. Hold on there. Nesta. One day one night we get a vision. The vision say, Jamaica, cover your Prime Minister. It say, cover your Prime Minister. Because enough enemies we have out there. Give me something there. Give me something there. Give me something there. Turn it up. Watch out! When you have trouble, don't. I don't want it. Just remember that. To the chorus, God is. So don't need to worry. We have been to Jamaica. God! They can't touch him! You know why they can't touch him? What a mighty God we serve! Love you, my boss! Send down the rain. Ready? You're too bad, man. You're too bad. You're too...
Well, eat in the place. Now, I don't want anybody to attack Vegas for the sweat talk. Please. You think of Vegas alone can sing? Come here, Kerensia. Today, the reason why we're just coming, I should just come. We were in the hills with our pretty little baby.
Yeah, right. Make me say the show thing like you know you ain't happy being happy, you're right. What the Labour Party is a pretty Labour Party. Me and what the Labour Party. Me and a party, be a better future. Me choose Jamaica, put the Labour Party. We're doing good for you. Singing JLP for hours, ringing in the showers. A blessing we are called on. Polly could jump down, exercise the bell loud. We're doing more for you. We're reducing crime, universal we align. Comrades can't find nothing to say. Andrew Holness in a shine. PMP waste of time, but labor rights will always lead the way. Singing JLP for hours, ringing in the showers. That's before the whole world. You're doing good, girl. Man, them when I stand proud. JLP good for you. Spanish town, no other town. Show our labor rights. And I just want to say to my party leader, our party leader, the incomparable Dr. the Honorable Jamaica Holness, I want to thank you for so many things.